Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we'll continue our discussion related to basic mathematics on quadratic equation. So previously we discussed how we can solve uh, quadratic equations through factorization method. So in this video we are going to discuss the solving of quadratic equations. Okay, so to take okay solving quadratic equations and this method is called as completing the square method. Okay, completing the square method. So why it is called completing the square method, you will see. So here just remember two basic formulas which we'll use here. First is a plus b whole square, which we all know is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now we will be using these two formulas because we have to convert the quadratic equation into this a plus b whole square format or a minus b whole square format. Okay, so let us directly understand how we can implement this method to solve a quadratic equation. Okay, so let us say we take a question, the first question. Okay, solve, let's say the equation is x square minus 10x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, by completing the square method. So how we'll do it? So observe each step carefully what I am doing. So first we'll write the equation, the quadratic equation, x square minus 10x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then what we'll do, we'll take this c, ax square plus bx plus c, this constant with no coefficient, no x, will to the right hand side, to the RHS side. Okay, so that implies x square minus 10x is equal to 2. Now we have to convert this part, x square minus 10x, into ax plus b whole square format, in the format of ax plus, here a, the coefficient of x square is 1, so we have to convert it into ax plus b or ax minus b format. So here it is minus, so it will be ax minus b whole square format. So how we'll do it, let's see. So that implies we'll go forward. So we'll write x square minus, we'll write 10x as 2 into x, the remaining which is required to convert for it to be 10x is 2 into x into 5. Okay, so we have written 10x as 2 into x into 5. So this is x square, x whole square minus 2 into x into 5. So what we have done here it is, let's say here it is ax whole square. A is 1, ax whole square. Here we have written 2ax into b. Okay. Now what we need to convert it into ax minus b whole square is to add plus 5 square. Okay, so we have added plus 5 square on the LHS side, so we have to add plus 5 square on the other side also. So this is b. Okay, this is b. B square. Okay, so that implies this equation becomes here it is x minus 5 whole square, x square minus 2x into 5 plus 5 square. So it is x minus 5 whole square, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here x minus 5 whole square is equal to 2 plus 25, which is equal to 27. That implies x minus 5 is equal to root over of 27. Okay, so which is equal to plus minus 3 root 3. Yes, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So that implies x, the value of x is, it can be 5 minus 3 root 3 or x is equal to 5 plus 3 root 3. These are the two possible values of x. So you understand how we have used a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square to convert this quadratic equation into, here it is ax minus b whole square. So here the coefficient of a, here in x square the coefficient of x square is 1, so it is a is equal to 1, then b is equal to 5, so we have converted into ax minus b whole square, which is x minus 5 whole square format. So this is the sequence of steps. So we will be solving a lot of questions like this, so you will get used to this process. So the first step, taking the constant to the other side, then writing this middle term, this x, bx term or whatever coefficient of x term in 2axb or 2ab format. Okay, then you add b square on both sides, whatever it is, b square on both sides. Here we added plus 5 square on both sides, then convert it into a whole square, that is ax plus b or ax minus b whole square, and then you take the square root of the other constant on the RHS side to get the value of x. Okay, so we'll be solving a lot of questions like this, so you will understand.